Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Friday's Adventure. Alright everybody, so today we're going to be opening some new tools for my business. So this one here is for oil changes, and it's a flex funnel. I got both of these off Amazon, so I'll put the links in the description below. The name of it is called Forma funnel, but I usually call it a flex funnel. But if you don't have the tube for this to drain your oil, you usually make a mess. So instead of trying to get your pan all the way back here, which you can't because of the tire and the deck, you can take this form it into a funnel, and now you can put your pan out here. And then let's just say you need to fill it. Now you've got a way to fill it. So it's just something that comes in really handy. This next item is going to require some assembly. It's a new lawnmower lift. 350 pound capacity, 23-inch lift height. It's just going to help me take the deck off, change the blades, and even just clean the deck once I'm done with it. So open this box. Alright, so let's put it together and then we'll see how it works. Well, I'm guessing the little bars are for small wheels like what's on that zero turn, because these fit pretty well. I know what the handle's for. It's to keep it from tipping over. But, you know, if I wanted to take the deck off, I could have unpinned the deck, left it there, lifted this up and pulled it out, no problem. Looks like I need to take it off and sharpen blades anyway. That's what I wanted to do for this week's video. A lot of stuff has changed in the yard. Some stuff is gone, some stuff is working now, so we'll go over that in another video. But that's going to be it for this week's video. I want to thank y'all for joining us for another Valdez Venture. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.